I will replace the trunk push button handle on a X3 F25, but this procedure works also on BMW 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 series and also on X1, X4, X5 and X6. First, you need to remove the license plate holder. You need to undo some interior clips, as you can see on the new handle. Now use a plastic trim tool to unclip the handle. Disconnect the plug. Now plug in the connector. Place the handle into position and press it until it's locked in place. Now you can install the license plate holder. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.